Get ready for this moment because I'm gonna eat the biryani with my hands. That is really good. Damn. Chicken biryani is one of my favorite dishes of all time. It is pure comfort on a plate. Give me a thumbs up if you agree with this. And one of my favorite variations is my mom's. So be sure to check it out on the channel if you haven't already, and do yourself a favor and make it. It's so good. But it got me thinking, how do we switch up the biryani game and sort of stray away from the traditional? And that's how Thai green curry biryani was born. So you have the amazing flavor of a Thai green curry infused with biryani, and let me tell you guys, this one is delicious, okay? So we're gonna start by soaking our rice. I have some Basmati rice here, and the reason we soak our rice is so that we have beautiful long grains of Basmati that are unbroken once they're cooked. I'm gonna top the rice with a little bit of warm water, and we're gonna massage the grains until the water turns cloudy. Then we're gonna drain and repeat the process until the water runs clear. I'll soak my rice for 25 minutes, and that gives it just enough time for the grains to plump up. So we're gonna start by creating the flavor base for this curry, and one thing I wanna note is that I am using store-bought Thai green curry paste. You can very easily make it at home, but in a pinch, store-bought is amazing. It has so many delicious ingredients in it: galangal, lemongrass, kaffir lime, chili, shrimp, and all of that comes together to perfume the biryani, and all it takes is a couple of spoonfuls, okay? No need to pull out those spices from the pantry, it's all in here. I have a pot here on medium heat, and to it I'm gonna add a little bit of canola oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm gonna tip in some finely chopped white onion and grate in some ginger, as well as some garlic. We're gonna saute these ingredients off until they're translucent and softened, and now is when I'm going in with my Thai green curry paste. Now we wanna cook the curry paste in the oil until it's nice and fragrant, and that takes about a minute. So you can use any cut of chicken that you want in this biryani. I'm using chicken drumsticks today because, you know, they're portable, you can hold them in your hands. They're really easy to cook up, and they tend to be tender and moist once they've cooked with the rice. So in go the chicken drumsticks. I'm gonna season with a little bit of salt to taste, and we're gonna coat to mix it in the curry mixture. Then I'm gonna drop the heat down to low, cover the pot, and let the chicken cook for a good 10 minutes until it's completely cooked through. So of course, when you're making a Thai green curry, you need a little bit of coconut milk. It's going to give the biryani a lovely, rich flavor. So we're gonna pour that in, top off with a little bit of water, and then I'm gonna slice up a long red chili. This doesn't have too much heat, but it has a beautiful fruity flavor, and I love that bright red color. We're also gonna go in with some fresh chopped coriander and the juice of half a lime. Now I'm gonna bring this mixture to a simmer, and once it's nice and bubbly, we're gonna add in our drained rice and mix everything. I'm gonna put a piece of aluminum foil on top of the pot and then cover with the lid. That will help trap the steam. And we're gonna cook this on medium heat for about 12 to 15 minutes until the rice has absorbed all the liquid in the pot. I'm gonna remove the lid, then the foil, and just like that, our green curry chicken biryani is ready. Moment of truth, let us plate up this biryani, all that fluffy rice. It's still a bit moist, which I like in my biryani. Chicken drumstick, a little more rice. Oh, I got another drumstick. And because I am a South Indian girl, I'm gonna tuck my hair behind my ears and get ready for this moment because I'm gonna eat the biryani with my hands. So let's get a piece of chicken. Oh my God, my mouth is watering. Grab together a little bit of that rice, and here goes. That is good. That is really good. Ooh, Damn, this biryani is making me so happy right now. It is perfectly cooked, and I just can't believe the amount of flavor you get from that green curry paste. And as I was reading through the ingredients, I saw coriander, cumin in there as well, some turmeric. So that's where you get a bit of that Indian vibe, but then the Thai vibe comes in with the galangal, the kaffir lime leaf, and the lemongrass. Such a harmonious blend. The chicken is super duper tender, and everything just comes together beautifully. So the next time you want to do something a little different with your biryani, consider this green curry chicken biryani. So simple to make and even easier to devour.